CDC issues recommendations to help protect beachgoers from COVID-19 spread. Even on the beach, people should stay 6 feet apart, according to the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. And yes, face masks are appropriate beach wear. The CDC has released a series of recommendations aimed at government agencies and private entities that manage beaches to help protect staff and beachgoers from the spread of COVID-19. Encourage use of cloth face coverings among staff and beach visitors. Face coverings should be worn when feasible and are most essential at times when social distancing is difficult, according to the recommendations. The recommendations also included a little common sense, advised those wearing cloth face coverings to not wear them in the water because they can be difficult to breathe through when they're wet. This means it is particularly important to maintain social distancing in the water. The CDC broke the guidelines into 3 levels to explain what behaviors or scenarios represent the lowest risk, more risk, or the highest risk for staff and beach goers. To remain at the lowest risk of getting the virus, staff and beach visitors should maintain a distance of at least 6 feet from people they don't live with and should not share food, equipment, toys, or supplies with people they don't live with. Staff and beachgoers are at the highest risk when they're not physically distanced from others who live in a different town, city, or county and share things like food and equipment with people they don't know, according to the CDC. Beach managers should encourage staff and beachgoers to stay home if they have COVID-19 symptoms, have been diagnosed with the virus, or are waiting to get results. Beach managers also should develop workplace policies for employees to stay at home without fear of being punished or of losing their jobs. Staff and beachgoers should consider to stay home and monitor their health if they have been exposed to someone with the virus within the last 14 days. Other recommendations to beach managers include: limit the occupancy of small spaces, encourage the use of masks or face coverings when not in the water, carpool only with people in their household, and maintain good hygiene etiquette. Beach managers should promote these behaviors with clear signs in highly visible areas. It's okay for lifeguards to get close if they're rescuing people, the CDC noted. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.